Hello, my name is Denis. Welcome to this video. I will show you how I elaborate a ceiling light. I was not satisfied about its brightness and about the quality of its white, so I decided to go for it. You can read what I used at the end of this video and in the description. Now let's take action. This ceiling light was created to put two E27 bulbs. My idea is to put 4 of them to double the brightness. For this reason, I bored the ceiling light frame in order to move the overall dimension to leave more space in the center. I test the new position to ensure me that the lamp holder is not obstructed. Then I place a third light bulb to give me an idea of how it could be. So I make a first hole to attach this lamp holder to, and I screw in that point to measure the fingerprint on the top. What a pity! Cover does not close. It will need to hold a little closer to the center to attach the lamp holder without obstructing the glass. Now it closes perfectly. I measure it to do the same in the opposite. I check dimensions also there. Then I create the last support hole. I try to understand how can I set aluminum support sink and the LED driver. Aluminum support is too long. I cut it with a saw. Then I go to smooth the sharp parts. Now it's perfect. I'm going to make a first through hole. It will need to attach the aluminum bar to the frame. I keep position pointing a screw. Then I make the other through hole to the opposite. I want to position the LEDs in this way. 4 PCBs with 3 LEDs each and a single violet LED in the middle. I take now measurements of where is better to drill for attaching central PCBs. I'm drilling for screws that will hold them. I see now position for screws of a violet LED. I make the holes with a smaller drill bit. I take some transparent plastic from packages. I will recycle it to create washers. That washers will protect the electric circuit from false contact with metal screws. Let's go now to assembly external custom PCBs with different color LEDs. In this job I'm using thermal grease between LED and PCB and I'm melting wire for soldering electrical contacts in the circuit. These two PCBs have the same configuration. They both have a single warm white ICRI LED, a deep red LED, and a cyan turquoise phosphorus LED. The reason for what I do this is that normal LED bulbs does not have enough of some important color that compose visible light, and my intention is to raise them to achieve a better white and a better color rendering from this ceiling. Now you can see PCBs that I will mount in central position. They will be different. One of them have a neutral white ICRI LED, a bright red LED and a cyan LED. The other one have a pair of bright red LEDs and a turquoise LED. I'm going to position and to fix PCBs with screw, nuts and washers. I need thermal grease there too. LED life is better when they are cooled. I go to link electrically PCB circuit by pond wire and small wires. I set in position external PCBs and I link them to. I link small wires to the LED driver. It will supply the series of 13 LEDs. I go to position aluminum bar on the ceiling frame with the PCB. Then I mount screws, washer and nuts to fix them together. Never forget thermal grease, my friends. I repeat what I just did to the other side. After I did some links with high current wires, ceiling is ready. I'm going to do a little test because I want to see how it works before installation. For doing it, I reduce much brightness of my camera to see better light paths and colors. I'm going now to remove the old ceiling, so I'll put there the one that I just modified. Now camera brightness is not low, there is rarely darkness. I'm there only with battery lights, because I turned off electricity in all my home for security. I'm finishing my job now. I'm mounting bulbs too. In the final layout, I decided to mount a cold white bulb with 3 warm white bulbs to balance the temperature. I switch on the electricity now. I cannot wait to see the result. Wow, that's really nice! I made a pair of photos with the same camera settings to see how is the light before and after. It's brighter, white rendering is better, and even if you there cannot see colored objects, I gained color rendering too. Now stop this video if you want to have the time to read all the material that I used. Before concluding, I invite you to be careful when you work. Drilling can be dangerous, going upstairs can be dangerous, using electricity can be very dangerous. Be careful. If you found this video interesting, let me know with a like or a comment. If you want to follow me, sign up for the channel or follow me in the street.